Using Cash App for Lyft is a convenient way to pay for your ride-sharing services. To get started, you need to have a Cash App account and a Lyft account. First, download the Cash App and Lyft apps from the App Store if you have not already done so. Create a Cash App account by providing the required information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to link a debit card or bank account to your Cash App to add funds. Next, open the Lyft app and go to the payment section. Tap on Add Payment Method and select Cash App as your payment option. You will be prompted to enter your Cash App email address and phone number to link your Cash App account to Lyft. Once your Cash App account is linked to Lyft, you can request a ride as you normally would. When you get to the payment screen, select Cash App as your payment method. The fare will be deducted from your Cash App balance. If you do not have sufficient funds in your Cash App account, you can add money to your account using your linked debit card or bank account. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure that you always have enough funds in your account to pay for your Lyft rides. It is also important to note that Cash App offers a cash card that you can use to pay for your Lyft rides. The cash card is a free debit card that is linked to your Cash App account, and you can use it to pay for your rides even when you do not have enough funds in your Cash App account. Using Cash App for Lyft is a convenient and secure way to pay for your ride-sharing services. It eliminates the need to carry cash or use a physical credit card. And you can easily track your payments and expenses using the Cash App and Lyft apps. By following these steps, you can easily link your Cash App account to Lyft and start using it to pay for your rides today.